Hello everyone. This video will help you with assembling your flute. Also, if you need some reminders or help with your flute when you are at home, this video will hopefully give you the help that you need. This flute case can fit on my sturdy table. Since we don't have a lot of sturdy tables and space in the band room, I do ask flutes for them to open their cases on the floor. When you're at home, if you have a table that is big enough for you to be open and unfold your case all the way, then feel free to open your case on a sturdy table. Number one, we make sure the word top is at the top. Another way to double check that is to see if the label that says the brand of the instrument is on top. So my flute is a Gemeinhardt. I see the Gemeinhardt on top. This is my own flute, so I haven't wrote the words top on it. After we know that the top is on top, we can undo the latches and open up the flute case. Note, students, eventually I will give you a cleaning rod, and it goes into the open space of your flute. I also will give you a cleaning cloth. It is best to tie your cleaning cloth to the outside because if you put it in the open space of the flute, it could actually bend some of these keys. So please try to tie it to the outside. First parts of assembly, we have the foot, the body, and the head. So, foot joint, body, head joint. I'm going to start with the foot joint and the body joint. I have carefully picked up the foot joint and the body joint. Look at your flute body. One side kind of has a less polished end that has a little ridge. The other side usually has some writing on it, and it looks polished all the way to the end. This side is the one that you're going to connect your foot joint to. Press the buttons on the bottom of the flute. Grab the part of the flute that has no buttons on the foot. Start putting them together and little twist, 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 twist. The way we line up our flute is that this long line should, if it was to magically continue, cut the circle in half. So, not here, not there, not there. I'm going to look at my flute and I'm going to turn it so the line would cut the circle in half. We have just assembled the foot to the body. Now it's time to assemble the head joint to the body. Here's your head joint. Your head joint has one end that's open and one end that's closed, and the open end will go into the body. Here's the opened end. Here's the body. I am going to again press keys on my flute or hold a part of the flute that has no keys. If you hold onto the flute just like this anywhere and start twisting and grabbing it, you actually might hurt your flute. You could bend some keys and then your flute won't work anymore. I'll have to send it to the repair shop. So please, please, please try to grab by buttons, or it's even safer to grab by the part with no buttons. Place it in carefully. Little twist. Twist, 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 twist. On the top of the flute, there is a tone hole on your lip plate. A tone hole on your lip plate. This hole needs to line up with the first single key, not the double keys, the single key. So I take my flute and I look down from the top and see if I can draw a line to that single key. When I drew my line this time, I can't see, I'm sorry. When I drew my line this time, I actually drew it to this post. So, since I drew it to the post, I need to adjust it. I'm going to look down the line again, and I'm going to use those parts that do not have keys to twist and check again. Now it's lined up. Oop, I didn't see it. Can you see it? Well, I had it before. Man. If you take a look now, there's the tone hole. It's now lined up with the key. Flutes, when you start playing, it's going to be a lot of work just on this part to work on getting your sound concentrated and focused. Then we'll start putting it together with just holding the instrument in any place just so it's safe. And then I'm going to teach you about the buttons. Flute is kind of hard to get started on, so please be patient. It is now time to disassemble the flute. First, we're going to start off with the last part that we added to the flute. So, head joint. A place without the buttons. Twist, 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 twist. Gosh, that's a lot of twists. Okay? I find the place where the head joint was in the case. Oh, this area kind of resembles that lip plate. So when I'm putting it in the case, I'm going to try to line up the lip plate with the area in which it's been resting. On this spot, the lip plate does not have a place to go, so it's kind of raised up on this end. That is how it should be. Your case may have it directed at the different angle or on the different side. Look for that indentation. Next, we should separate the foot from the body. A part either pressing buttons, part with no keys. Twist, 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 twist. I like to try to put the foot away first. That's a little opposite on the way that I put it together, but that's just my preference. If you look at where the foot was, again, there's one of those indentations, and that's for the lonely circle key all by itself. I'm going to put that circle key in the indentation, and it should fit nice and steady and flat in there. Next, I need to put the body away. There are some indentations from where the body has been laying, but the most important thing to look for is this one lonely key that sticks out. No other keys stick out quite like that one. Usually it faces your belly button right in the middle. Look for the indentation. It will help you know where to put it. After I've made sure that I've checked all of the parts in their indentations, then I can check and see if the case closes easily. Before I latch the case, I want to make sure that it's closed very, very easily. There should be no gaps here in the case. If it's having a hard time closing, if you're having to force it, then please double check that everything has been put in the correct spot. Since my case is closing easily and I can close my latches easily, I know that my flute has been put away in the correct fashion. Thank you so much for watching this video about how to put your flute together and to take it apart.